Hi dear friends, I hope all of you are doing well and safe. Today I come to you with a very quick recipe that all of its ingredients can be prepared in advance. It's very delicious, it's very nutritious as well. It has this Asian infusion and Asian taste to it, and I was inspired by this quick snack or quick recipe by the sushi video that I've made. If you didn't see it up until now, I totally encourage you to see it and give me your opinion about it. It's very economic sushi without any ingredients that you have to buy from outside. And as you can see, it's very versatile. It's very forgiving when it comes to the measurements of the ingredients. And it's very delicious and tasty. And it takes only 1 to 2 minutes to prepare. And you will start by short grain rice that is cooked like you cook it for the sushi. And white vinegar, you don't have to use the sophisticated sushi vinegar. And we will start by 3 cups of uncooked short grain rice, and I'm cooking them, and to them I will add almost half a cup of vinegar, and that's it, and I will stir them very well. By the way, you need only for this recipe 1 cup of cooked rice. So this I was supposed to store it to make sushi and other like stir fried and other recipes. To that I will take, for the recipe of today, we need only 1 cup of cooked rice. And to that I will need only half to quarter of an avocado. That's it. If you want to add more, feel free to do that. For me, to make it a little bit figure friendly, I will use only quarter of an avocado. And this was me showing you how to de-stone the avocado without hitting it with a knife, so that it's so that you don't injure yourself. It's a safer method, let me put it this way. Again, I was showing it to you because I was very proud of it. So after like slicing my avocados, now I will get 1 can of tuna. To that and by the way, this is tuna in water, it's not in oil. To that I will add only 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, homemade mayonnaise. You can use the commercial one. You can also put sriracha or hot sauce to it, or maybe diced chili, it's totally up to you, and sliced cucumber, and that's it. Now to assemble the ingredients, I will take 1 cup of short grain rice. To it I will add only 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise and tuna. You can add more, you can add less. It is totally up to you and up to your taste. And as I said, it's very adaptable. It's very adaptable. And now I'm adding the avocado. And put in mind something, I didn't squeeze any lemons or lemon juice on the avocado. It's only pure avocado. And now, as you can see, I'm putting the avocado in wedges, because I don't want it to get very mashed while stirring everything together. I want it to have a few lumps of avocado in my recipe, so that whenever you taste the rice, you can feel the texture, the creamy texture, and the very buttery taste of the avocado with the rice. I don't want it to be very like mushed together. I want it to have like every ingredient to have its own unique character in the dish. Now I'm stirring everything to make sure that everything is coated with the mayonnaise sauce in it and with the tuna. And as you can see, I'm trying to preserve a few pieces here and there of the avocado. And by the way, we are almost done. As you can see, that's it. The rest will be some dressing, and you will see. I really encourage you to check my sushi recipe and to try this recipe. It's very delicious, nutritious, and quick. To that I'm adding a few teaspoons of mustard sauce, and I've finished the recipe. And to that, this is soy sauce with toasted sesame seeds and some sesame seed oil. And now I'm garnish with some cucumber. And by the way, if you think the cucumber will enhance the unpleasant taste of the fish, let me assure you, it will not. It goes very well with this recipe, very well. And this is today's recipe. If you like it, and I hope you do, and I encourage you to try it, let me know in the comments section. Do not forget to follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. And until I see you next time, don't forget to subscribe, and I love you to the moon and back. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.